Hey there, homeowners and future homeowners. Ever wondered what escrow is and why it's so important in your mortgage journey? Well, I'm about to break it down so simply that even a 5-year-old could get it. Except we're talking real money here. Stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal how knowing about escrow can save you big bucks and make your life a whole lot easier. All right, let's start from the beginning. Escrow is a financial term that sounds a lot more complicated than it actually is. So, imagine you're playing a game where you want to buy a new toy, but before you get it, you need to make sure both you and the toy seller keep your promises. So, you give your money to a trusted friend instead of giving it directly to the seller. In the mortgage world, escrow works the same way. It's like a neutral third party that holds on to certain funds until specific conditions are met. Instead of giving all your payments directly to the bank or the seller, an escrow account holds money for things like property taxes and homeowners insurance. The cool part? This ensures everyone does their part and there are no surprises later. Now, you might be asking, why do I need escrow? Can't I just handle everything myself? Well, here's the deal. Escrow is like your best friend when it comes to keeping track of your home expenses. You know, those pesky bills that can sneak up on you, like property taxes or insurance premiums. Picture this. You get your mortgage, move into your beautiful new home, and forget about paying those taxes and insurance bills. Next thing you know, you're hit with a big bill you forgot about. Yikes, right? Escrow prevents that from happening by making sure your bills get paid on time, without you even having to think about it. So let's say you buy a house for $300,000. Every month, you pay your lender a set mortgage payment. That payment goes toward your loan, but also includes money for taxes and insurance, all bundled into one easy payment. Sounds nice, right? Here's the cool part. Your lender takes that money, puts it in an escrow account, and handles the payments for you. So, come tax season, instead of scrambling to pay your property taxes, your lender already has the money saved up for you and pays it directly from your escrow account. Let's take a look at how the escrow process actually works, step by step. Step 1. Opening escrow. When you first get your mortgage, your lender sets up an escrow account for you. Think of it like opening a piggy bank just for your taxes and insurance. Step 2. Making payments. Every month, part of your mortgage payment goes into that piggy bank, making sure there's enough for upcoming expenses. Step 3. Paying taxes and insurance. Your lender uses that money to pay your property taxes and insurance for you, so you don't have to worry about remembering deadlines or writing checks. Step 4. Escrow review. Once a year, your lender reviews your escrow account to make sure there's enough money in there. If your taxes or insurance costs have increased, your lender might adjust your monthly payment. It's like a little checkup for your piggy bank. Alright, so now that you know how escrow works, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros: no surprise bills. You don't have to stress about paying big lump sums for taxes and insurance because it's already taken care of. Convenience: escrow makes life easier by bundling everything into one payment. Accountability: since a third party handles the payments, you're guaranteed your taxes and insurance are paid on time. The cons: escrow shortages. Sometimes there's not enough in the account to cover your bills, and when this happens, your lender might raise your monthly payment. Less control. Since the lender manages your escrow account, you don't have as much control over the money. If you like being hands-on, that might be a downside. Now let's talk about a common issue with escrow. Escrow shortages. This happens when there's not enough money in your escrow account to cover your bills. For example, if your property taxes go up, but your monthly payments haven't been adjusted, your account might fall short. So, what can you do about it? First, keep an eye on your property taxes and insurance premiums. If they increase, make sure your lender adjusts your payments to cover those changes. And if you ever find yourself in a situation where there's an escrow shortage, don't panic. Lenders typically give you the option to either pay the shortage in a lump sum or spread it out over the year. Now here's an interesting twist. Escrow is mostly for home buyers, but if you're renting, it's a different story. Renters typically don't have to worry about escrow because property taxes and insurance are usually handled by the landlord. So if you're a renter, you get a little less responsibility in that area. But if you're a homeowner, especially a first-time buyer, escrow is a key part of your financial plan. It gives you peace of mind knowing your taxes and insurance are being taken care of while you focus on making your house a home. So, if you're feeling a little more comfortable with escrow now, here are some quick tips for managing it like a pro. Know your payments. Always stay on top of your mortgage payments. If you notice any changes in your escrow payments, reach out to your lender for clarification. Review your statements. Lenders send annual statements showing how much was collected and spent. That's your chance to double-check that everything's accurate. Ask questions. If you're ever confused about your escrow account, don't be afraid to ask your lender. They're there to help. So there you have it. Escrow explained in the simplest way possible, with real money involved. I hope this helped clear up any confusion you might have had about escrow. Remember, knowing how escrow works is a big step toward mastering your mortgage journey. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on valuable mortgage tips. And hey, if you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. I love helping out my community. Until next time, take care of that escrow and make smart moves with your mortgage.